Our project topic is patient monitoring systems and group members are Sudharani Hattali and Neha Jadhav. Introduction of our project. In today's world, it is very difficult to carry the patient from home to hospital for regular checkup. There are a lot of challenges like waiting in the queue, traveling times, and the patient may be prone to various infections moving in this polluted environment. So we made a project that is helpful to monitor the basic important signs of patients like heart rate, body temperature, and humidity. This physiological data of patients we store at the cloud, so doctor can directly access reports by typing the patient's ID. So doctor is able to monitor the patient from anywhere across the world. Basic block diagram of our project. In that, DHT11 sensors and the heartbeat sensor we are using at the input side, and the virtual terminal and the cloud we are using at the output side. This is the circuit diagram of our project. This is the heartbeat sensors, Arduino Mega board, DHT11 sensor, virtual terminal, and the communication ports. So for the heartbeat sensors and Arduino Mega boards, we are inputting the library in Proteus. Heartbeat sensor is able to calculate the heart rate of the patients, and DHT11 sensor is calculate the humidity and the temperature of the patient. So this physiological data of the patient is sent to the Arduino board as an electrical signal. So Arduino boards process this signals and display on the virtual terminal. Also send this data to the cloud.
Arduino code for DHT11 and heartbeat sensor. Here first we need to do the one setting, that is go to the tools, click on the board and select here Arduino Mega 2560. Let's see about the code. Here we are added the DHT.h and Pulse Sensor Playground.h libraries, and this is the whole code. Let's move towards the Proteus simulation. Here now simulation is started, and now we can observe the humidity, temperature and pulse rate on this virtual terminal.
Code, we written a Python code to display the physiological data on the ThinkSpace. Firstly, we import the serial, communicators, time, schedule, URL library, threading, that means it perform the multiple tasks at a time. Then we import the URL open. So here we put the URL of the ThinkSpeaks. This is the right key of the ThinkSpeaks. This is the header, that means how the physiological data display on the ThinkSpeaks. So in the main functions, we read the physiological data from the Arduino or display on the ThinkSpeak in the list format.
Code. Yes. Here now we can see the code is running, and also it started to fetching the data from the virtual terminal as earlier shown on the Proteus, and it's also store this data on ThinkSpeak. Let's see how the data looks on ThinkSpeak. Yes, here it's showing the humidity, temperature and BPM. So here we can see point wise what is the humidity and what is the temperature and BPM. We can also read the data from the ThinkSpeak. Here I will show you how the data looks. So here I run the code, and here we can see the code is running. Yes, and through this link we will read the data from the ThinkSpeak. Yes, here page is loading, and here it's showing the data about the our channel, and here it's showing the humidity, temperature and pulse rate.